Hey everyone, this is Sophia here, and today I am going to show you how to install JDK in the PC Windows operating system. JDK, the Java development kit, which is useful for developer to have compilation. It contains JRE and JVM. After installation of IDE like IntelliJ or VS Code, it requires JDK. So let's follow the steps. For that, we have to go and write on the search bar like JDK download. Here I download Oracle JDK. Go click on this. This will open this page. You can see Java 25 and Java 21 versions available now. The JDK 25 is the latest long-term support LTS release of the Java SE platform. In Java JDK 21 is previous long-term support. So which one to choose? According to me, I choose this JDK 21 because it has previous long-term support. So click on this JDK 21. Based on the different operating system JDK, you can download Linux for this. Mac operating system this. I choose Windows. Click on the export installer this link. I have already downloaded this. So I'm going to my folder and open that one which I have downloaded. You can see this JDK 21 Windows. Double click on it. It takes few seconds. Now you can see this. Click on yes. Let's wait for more few seconds. Windows installer preparing to install. Now click on next. Nothing to do, only click on next and wait for a few more minutes. Validating installation. The process is going on. JDK is used by developer to create Java application. Okay, so installation done. Close it. Now let's open the command prompt. CMD. Click on it. And let's check whether our installation is done successfully or not. Java compiler, Java C, version. Click on enter. Yes. Then Java version. Yes, Java 21. You can see. So the installation done successfully. Let's check whether the IDE call the JDK properly or not. Here I am using the IDE VS Code. Let's open a terminal. New terminal. So here you can see the terminal. Here I am writing Java C version. Yes, it called the Java C21 0.10 Java. That means the path is set up. If the path is not set up automatically, what you will do? Go to environment variable, that is edit the system environment variable. Then click on environment variable and do check here in this path whether our bin file is present or not. Look here, see program files Java JDK 21 bin is already present because previously I have already installed it. If it is not present, what we will do? Just click on new, go to the folder, Java folder where uh, it is present. That is here. See program files Java JDK 21. This is the bin folder, and you have to select this, copy this, and what you will do? Click on new, and here you write path name like PATS path, then provide the path which you have copied there. So already it is present, so for me I am not doing this one, but if it is not present, who install freshly, so follow the steps and do check. Okay, so the JDK installation done successfully. Thank you for watching. Hope it's helped you.